Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce you new playlist for Logo PLC Siemens. And in this lecture, I will explain you how we can take the backup of from the Logo PLC. First of all, I will show you the picture of my Logo PLC. That you can see this picture is and this PLC is bulletin 8 inputs I 1.0 up to 1.2, 1.3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total inputs are 8 inputs. And output is from start from Q1 and Q2, Q3 and Q4. Total in CPU have 4 only outputs. And if you connect the extension modules, after you can increase your outputs and inputs. Each and every module input is bulletin 4 inputs and 2 outputs. Sorry, 4 outputs. Which models will be introduced you inshallah will in next lectures. In this lecture only we have discussed about backup, how we can take the backup from this Logo PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my Logo Soft Comfort software version 8.3, which can be suitable for this logo model. Just click on the software and this interface will be open, and which may be last file you are saved in your PC, that will be open. But that last file I will be delete all, and I will show you how we can take the backup. This all we will be delete, and just we will take the fresh new. Just I click on the file. If you like to make it new, you can just click on new, and here which function block diagram if you like to be choose FBD language or ladder diagram or UDF diagram language like to be change choose, you can choose. This interface look like same you can see, and if you choose this one ladder diagram, this interface will be shows, and if you choose this one UDF, so same like interface will be open. And this is the zoom input and output buttons. It's depend on your choice which you like to be choose, that you can add. And here just have you can see there is a two buttons. Says this button is logo to PC CTRL plus U also you can select, after you can get the upload, and if you click on this button after also start the next procedure. So click it on this one and wait for some time. After this main interface will be open, and here you can see this is the connect through, which line you like to be connect through. If you have a dynamic DNS server, after you can choose this one. If you have a logo cable, you can choose the logo cable. I have a Ethernet cable, so I will choose this Ethernet cable. And after which driver is installed in your PC, that driver you have to be choose. Microsoft virtual adapter, or if you have a PCI GPE family controller, or this I have this one, so I choose this one. And next you have to be give the IP address of the PLC. What's the IP address? If you don't know about the IP address, you have to be go to the PLC, and after you can select the check on the screen. This I will picture show you here in the screen. You can just click it on this one. Okay. After this screen will be open, and after you can this up down cursors, this you can select up and down, and one program comes on the screen IP address. After you can click enter, after you will see the IP, which IP is in the PLC that you have to select, and after you can write it here the IP address. I will write it here. First digit is 192, and next you have to write 168 and 0, and in next you have to be write which is your last digit. I have last digit, so I write the 03 and click on test. When you click it on the test, after it will be connecting to device, try to connect the device. If your IP address and your PC and PLCs will be same, after this will be try to connect. Here is asking for password. You just only give the password. After this, wait for 5 to 6 seconds. After this is communication is okay, your PLC is connected with your PC, so this interface will be go to green signal. Now it's check mark coming, means your PLC is 100% connect with your PC, and just click on OK. And after your which program is inside the PLC, that will be backup. Wait for some seconds, and now you again he is asking for password, so give the password again and click enter. After your backup will be start. You can see this device is in run mode. You have to be must put in stop mode. After this will be go to stop mode, and which data is in your PLC, that you can see in the data transfer is busy, this message. When your program will be complete backed up, after this will be finished and your program will be shown in the sidebar. He is asking this device is in stop mode, you like to change to run, so click on yes. So your PLC will be go to into the run mode. And you can see this is your circuit diagram 6. This is now showing, and this is circuit diagram 5, which is where connected, and we will cancel this all because of we no need this all diagrams. And this is your current, this is your first, this one is in your PLC, that's now coming back up. This again I will be, no, that's not like to be, yeah, this is your main program is running. And so now if you like to be execute again and simulate for checking your program is okay, click on simulation, and after this line will be got red. If you again click it on, you can see this is the black, but when you click it again, after it will be show a red, look like this is on power is on, and simulation here all interface will be shown. You can see here is the buttons, some two buttons I1 and I2, two buttons I am using, this one I1 and this is I2. This is now showing here. This is internal memory M1 and Q1 is now showing, because of we are using this programmer use this one with the M1 of Q1, so these two buttons are also showing here. If I press this one I1, and that will be, if this is on, it will be not run. If this is not on, after you can see your output is now on and Q1 is also on, and your these two outputs are showing on M1 and Q1. So next you when you put on the I2, after your M1 will be closed, and this also close, and your program will be closed. So, and after this program testing, you have to be save. Just go to the file and just save it here, but first you have to be exit the simulation and again click it on this. Here you can save as, where you like to be store your this program. you have to be go to the disk D, E, F, whatever where you like to be store. You can save the program. And just I like to save at the desktop. Click on desktop and after give the name, file name it here, and after you can just save. After your program will be saved. Again I will one more time click on this one, and you can see this one I2 is now on, so I will got off, and now is off. As I give the signal at I1, after you can see our M1 is on. Shall I will be next lecture. I will show you how we can make the ladder for any program and how we can download. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.